Hello and welcome to MarineMax of Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley and today we're going to take a walkthrough of a 250 Sea Ray Sun Deck. This is a stern drive powered 250 horsepower Mercruiser motor. Inside the hull itself it has a full Simrad nav display, a 9-inch display. There's plenty of room and easy for your eyesight, especially on bright sunny days. The design of Sea Ray is put in somewhat of a sunshade over the top of this to reduce glare. The boat has a bimini top also for shade. Down below there's ample room for storage. You could even, for young children perhaps, to take a nap and get out of the elements. There's also a head aboard the boat. Again, the boat is designed with the family in mind for a day of sports on the water. The boat can take people water skiing, tubing, wakeboarding, whatever you wish to get out and have some fun. When you're anchored in a cove or a quiet harbor, up forward the boat enables people to sit quietly, enjoy some music on the Fusion stereo system. The boat's easy to anchor up here. It has a small anchor that's easily deployable. Also, there's a swim ladder option on this boat. So when you go ashore, you don't have to jump into chest-deep water. You can actually put her bow up onto a sandbar or a beach and just disembark right from the bow. Same thing getting back on board the boat. There's also fresh water capability with the boat so that you can shower the sand off. Or if you're in salt water, you can take a shower at the end of the day of water skiing or swimming. We're located at 627 Boston Post Road. This is MarineMax. My name is Fred Aberley, 860-399-5581. And thanks for watching.